Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to underline text on Photopea website. So all you need to do, first of all, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser such as Google Chrome, Opera, Brave like me maybe, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or any other browser could be possibly working for you. Then just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with, and of course you will need to go to the URL section and type photopea.com and hit the enter button. So of course that will certainly take you into this page, and from here you would like to create a new project, open something from your computer, choose some PSD template, or you can just drop your file here and start editing on it. For me, I'm just going to click at new project. And of course, here I'll just choose one of those templates. Let's just choose this as an example, and let's just wait until it loads into the website. So of course, it's actually loading right now. Anyway, anything will show in this template, you will surely, or you will find it for sure into the right here as the component of this template. I don't know why it's not loading yet. Let's just refresh the page. So, okay, I solved this problem. I just had some connection issue. Anyway, so of course, I just changed the template. Don't mind that. And of course, as you can see, as I said, everything in this template, you'll find that's right here as the component. Of course, you can move them, you can do or edit them, you can do whatever you want with them. Of course, you can even click at Ctrl Z if you want to go back to your original case. Click it as many times as the steps you did. So of course, if you want to underline a text, all you need to do, just go and select the text first of all. Then from here, of course, from the components here at the right, then right click on it. And as you can see, here we have several options. If you don't want to go through all these options, I have a simple option for you. Just go here, add those options right here and click this T. And from here, you would like to select a text. Right here at the bottom, we have a line. Just go and click on that. And as you can see, our text now has an underline. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.